So have you been looking for an affordable new construction house that is not your typical cookie cutter house here in Port Charlotte, Florida? Well, in this video, we're going to be walking you guys through the 1,700 square foot, 3-bed, 2-bath for only $340,000 with a fenced in backyard. And trust me, you guys will want to watch this video all the way till the end because this is not your typical cookie cutter house. It has bad insulation, peel and stick roof. It has hurricane impact windows. It has a modern upgraded front door, and everything in this house is just overall a lot nicer than most track house builds that you come across. And plus, it's still within an affordable price point, especially with those vaulted ceilings. You guys will definitely not want to miss. But before we jump in and share with you what this house exactly looks like here in Port Charlotte, if you guys have been looking to move to the area, just like most of you, we get all of our clients that reach out to us here on YouTube, here on TikTok, and want us to work with them one-on-one to help them find the perfect new construction house. If you guys don't know anything about me, I own a custom home building company, Jane Development Group, where we can also build custom houses on your land in Port Charlotte. But in this video specifically, we are strictly talking about new construction houses that are already available and why right now here in 2026 is prime time to buy inventory houses versus building new construction houses, especially with all these builders that have these builds that are just sitting. They need somewhere to let those go. So let's turn my camera around and let's go walk you through the 1,700 square foot house here in Port Charlotte, Florida.
All right, so now that we are here at the house, let's take a look at the exterior here. What you'll notice is it has an overall nice front elevation. Yes, the landscaping does need quite a bit of work, but it does have a very nice front entrance here. You have a covered front entry. You have this nice frosted glass impact door here in the front, and then you immediately walk in to the open concept layout. Now, this is getting new stainless steel appliances. They just have not arrived yet, but what is great about this house is that it does already have vaulted ceilings. So it's not your typical 9'4" ceilings. It is actually true vaulted ceilings, which gives this house a very grand look, even though it is only 1,700 square feet. So it makes it perfect for entertaining. And then off to the left-hand side of this house, we are going to go into the primary bedroom and bathroom. Here is going to be the bedroom. You have a coffered ceiling with can lighting that is pre-wired for a future fan. Then when we walk in here to the primary bathroom, we have a dual sink vanity, full-size mirror, dual lights, and then we also have here is a freestanding tub with a nice size walk-in shower. I would definitely put in a different shower head than just the basic builder grade, but it is still a nice shower with frameless glass. Then we're going to walk outside of here and back into the main living area. As you can see here, it does have a nice dining area off to this left-hand side here. All of these are impact windows, so you don't have to worry about putting up hurricane shutters, especially if this would be like your second or third house. Here we have a walk-in pantry with shelving that is perfect. Not a reach-in, just a nice walk-in over here. And then we're going to go into the bedrooms, which this is going to be the guest bedroom one. They're all around 11 by 11s, give or take some, with a reach-in closet on both. You have the wall plug and the cable already up there for hung TVs, so you don't have to worry about it. See the wires. This is going to be the laundry room for you to put in your washer and dryer. It has a sink also that we did not show off to the right-hand side, but it is in the laundry. We have a nice size 2-car garage. Now it is more of a standard 2-car garage, so I would definitely want to epoxy floor the garage before move-in date, but that would just be one recommendation for me. Then let's go over here to the guest bedroom number 2. Very similar size to the other one. Similar reach-in closet, everything like that. Nice size. This could be nice for an office, a game room, or just another kid's room. Then we're going to go over here to the shared guest bathroom, and this is what I like. You have this full frame glass shower, walk-in shower, tile that goes floor to ceiling. You have the transom window that lets in tons of natural light, and it is just an overall nice size guest bathroom. Now let's go out here to the outside so you guys can actually see what it looks like. You have a covered patio. As you can see, the tile actually flows from the inside to the outside. I thought that was a super nice touch. This house is built up on a 2-core stem wall, so it is a little bit more elevated than your typical mono slab house that you'll see, typical track house development. but so you would want an extra staircase here, but it is plenty big enough to put a pool, plenty big enough to add another larger 6-foot high privacy fence off to this right hand side. You see it's on the back and on the left hand side of the house, but there is plenty of room for a lot of outdoor entertaining for you and your friends and your family and your guests.
So now that we wrapped up this house tour video, I want to get your guys' feedback. What did you guys think of the house? What were some of your favorite features? What were some of the things that you wish that this house had versus what it didn't have? And I really want to get your guys' overall feedback. If you guys like this style house, I really want to create more videos that go through the houses that you guys are exactly looking for. And remember guys, we do specialize in new construction. I do own a custom home building company where we will walk you guys through the cost of construction on houses just like these in future videos, and then also walk you guys through all the new construction houses here in Sarasota, Port Charlotte, Northport, Punta Gorda, Bradenton, and Lakewood Ranch areas. So if you guys want to work with a team that knows new construction like the back of their hand and has their own personal money invested into new construction here in Southwest Florida, you guys can reach out to me and my development company and my real estate brokerage here at the links down in the descriptions down below. But once again, guys, we appreciate you checking out this video as always, and we will catch you guys next week.